Hey guys, it's Hazard Edit here, and today we will be looking at a transition effect, which was in the beginning of the video. So, first we need two different clips, or two clips we want to transition. We want the transition to work between, so we select them and drag them into our Adobe After Effects. So, let me have this. So we got our both clips in here, and we drag them in. And we see that, for example, we want to have this from here to here, and we got this from here, so we got this clip. And then we want to have a transition between these two. So we'll be looking at the offset effect, and we can find it in, so we need an adjustment layer first, and we get out, or we just search for it, offset. So we got this one. We drag it in, and then we have this. And I'm gonna make it to the basic one. So we'll put *10. It means it will be multiplied. So if I like this one, oh wait, I forgot. You have to have the stopwatch working. So by 10, you have to try what you need, what looks good for you. So if it fits with the music, if it fits with the clips, I don't know, whatever you want to know. So if I don't like this, I will try a different number. So this doesn't work, as we see. This is way too slow. So we press U and see all our keyframes, and we'll go to this keyframe, and we will see if we can multiply it with 2 maybe, and then we'll drag this down so it fits. Like this. And now what we can add is a blur effect, and I'll use which one? Let's try. Actually, this should be motion blur, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's try Gaussian blur. So we go here, it's 0. We go here, 0, 2. And we go here between these two and do it to this. Okay, now try what we get. So it doesn't look really bad, but we need to have this keyframe at the half, so like this probably. We'll do more blurriness, and then we'll select this and press T for opacity, and this one too, and we do this one right here. We click on the stopwatch and put it to 0. Go to the end of this, put it to 100. And click on this one, stopwatch 0. Go to this one, put it to 100. So what we get, and I still think this is a bit too slow, so when I'm here I want it to be multiplied by 10, and I'll be doing, oh my god, okay, never mind, I'm sure you will get this on your clip. And now we select all the keyframes. Never mind, what was it? A layer, no. Easy ease, so that's what we need. And now we watch it if it works fine. So I think this looks pretty good there. So guys, I have changed the blur effect to fast blur right here, as you can see, and the difference is it looks like it's spinning actually, so it's not just blur, but it is, as you can see here. For example, here you got this, so it makes it like blurry, but it drags it up and down, so you can change this. Like, this is normal blur, this is what we like had before, but it wasn't fast blur, it was Gaussian blur. And you had horizontal and all that stuff, so I've changed it to vertical. Actually, the Gaussian blur has same effects, but I wanted to use the other blur effect, so just fast blur. I don't know why, but I like it more, and also because it has, so you see, if I have this one, if I do it too blurry, sorry, if I do this too blurry, you see it gets black at the core, at the edges. So to not have that, you have to use fast blur and put on repeat, delete this, repeat edge pixels, so you see the difference. So it's pretty cool and much better than the old one. And if we now take this like this and we repeat, and we do, it actually doesn't work right now for me because I'm using recording software. So if we change it to easy ease, then it will look professional. So let me render this out for you. So as you can see, it looks really spinny, so as it's supposed to be, really spinny. And this is actually the result you get from this. Looks pretty good, so I'm fine with that. and we'll see. Yeah, that's a pretty cool effect. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.